It hurts your business when you have to fight your own apps just to find a phone number or check a deal. Too many owners waste hours typing data by hand while great sales disappear inside messy old sheets. That is exactly why we are looking at Freshsales today. We want to show how this simple tool fixes your daily setup so you can handle customers better. Let us jump right in. Honestly, if you want your sales team to thrive, you have to get serious about how you handle your customer relationships. What I love about Freshsales is how it gives you a true 360-degree view of everyone you work with. It gets rid of those endless flat lists and brings all your client interactions to life. When your team can see emails, phone calls, and web activity organized on a single, clear timeline, they can go into every single conversation feeling completely prepared and knowing exactly where things stand. Grouping these contacts is just as smooth, letting you tie individual clients back to their parent companies. This makes an incredible difference in B2B accounts because it shows you the layout of the entire company. You can keep an eye on different stakeholders and track the account health simultaneously, while smart background AI automatically logs the finer company details for you, completely freeing up your valuable time. Once you have your contacts sorted out, it's time to talk about the part that really keeps your business running, managing active sales. I really appreciate how Freshsales puts your entire sales cycle onto a clean, highly visual screen. It lets you see your deals move along from the very first conversation to a closed win with just a simple flick of your wrist. This design makes it incredibly obvious when an account has been sitting out in the cold for weeks. If a big contract drops tracking while you work through the details, the system highlights the issue or drops a notification so you can jump on it right away. Outside of the visual pipeline boards, the weighted revenue calculator is a total game changer for projecting your numbers. It looks at your real probability of winning a deal based on where the client is in the buying journey, giving you a much more honest picture of your upcoming cash. We also love that you can run completely different pipelines right next to each other. That way, if your team uses a totally separate track for onboarding new clients than they do for handling contract renewals, you can keep those tracks clean without any mess. It keeps the whole team aligned and guarantees nothing drops through the cracks. When you're working hard to close deals, staying connected with people is everything, and the built-in conversations tool inside Freshsales makes that process incredibly smooth across every platform. I really appreciate how the system handles the whole omni-channel approach. Whether a contact reaches out over email, calls your line directly, or texts your phone on WhatsApp, the message lands right in one central inbox inside your CRM dashboard. You don't have to jump around between a million open windows just to reply to someone. It keeps your client conversations moving forward naturally and ensures no one ever gets forgotten or missed along the way. On top of keeping your inbox organized, you can easily make outgoing phone calls right from your desktop computer using their internal dialer system. The software automatically saves the call recording and links the update directly to that specific user's info page. Having everything connected like that is such a massive relief because it genuinely gives your whole team a single source of truth. If you step away from the office, a teammate can instantly look over the message history, listen to the last call, and take great care of the customer without missing anything. It makes your operation look incredibly professional to all your clients. Let's look at some of the coolest and most advanced tools inside this program by talking about the AI Agent Studio. It's a fantastic feature that gives you a clear picture of how customer management is evolving right now. Basically, it gives you a dedicated space to build custom assistants that handle all the repetitive groundwork of sorting through new leads. That means when someone visits your website at 2 in the morning, the system can instantly jump into the chat, answer your questions using your uploaded guides, and verify the lead before you even log in for the day. Even better, setting these up is remarkably painless. You don't need a background in web development because the drag and drop editor makes it easy to set the exact tone and behavior you want. The tool manages long conversations beautifully, keeping track of details mentioned paragraphs ago, so it never loses the plot. At the end of the day, running a busy sales operation won't get you very far if you aren't actively tracking your progress, and that's why good reporting features are so critical. I found the built-in analytics setup inside Freshsales to be incredibly helpful and thorough without giving you that typical data headache when you look at it. The central screen provides a straightforward, live look at the specific numbers that keep your business healthy, like your actual win rates, pipeline speed, and individual output. You don't need to be a spreadsheet expert to get it. Everything makes perfect sense. You can also tweak these dashboard views to highlight exactly what your team cares about at any given moment. If you want to see which marketing campaign is pulling in the most revenue, or check which rep is moving clients through the pipeline the fastest, you can build a new report in just a few clicks. Plus, the automated assistant flags smart suggestions, highlighting which deals are looking solid and which ones might be hitting a wall. Having that kind of warning lets you fix issues early, keeping things running smoothly. Taking a step back to look at the market, Freshsales is a fantastic option for any growing team that wants to cut out the noise and focus on closing deals. The software handles everything under the sun, keeping you organized from that initial conversation all the way through signing the final paperwork. If you're ready to stop wrestling with messy spreadsheets and want to close more accounts using a far more intuitive system, this is your answer. Use the link down in the description box to launch your free trial and clean up your sales workflow today. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.